Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be decorating for Christmas and putting out all the Christmas stuff. I may not get all of it done tonight, but I'm at least hopefully gonna get the tree together. So let's get started. So the house is a super big mess because we just brought all of this stuff in. So we brought this tree and then these two totes of like ornaments and stuff. And then I got these things yesterday at Walmart, a tree skirt and some garland that's gonna go up here. So yeah, let's get started on all this stuff. I'm so excited. I love Christmas. So first I'm going to put on some Christmas music and then get started. So let's go. So gonna be eating some of these cracked pepper and sea salt cashews from Girl Scouts. My little sister is a Girl Scout and these are so good. We just got these in today. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating some of these while then I put up the Christmas stuff and listen to some Christmas music and also get started on some homework. So I'm multitasking so good today.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
So changing plans because I can't find the stand for the tree. So I'm going to try to see if it's out in my Nana's building where we stored our tree and try again tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is the next day. I finally got the piece that I needed and so let's just start decorating.
Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Good morning. So it snowed last night and school was canceled today. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let's see if we can go out the back door. Hold on. So you can see a lot better on this side. Yeah, so it snowed. Yeah. Hi! What do you think about the snow? What do you think about it? Oh my goodness. Oh dear. It's pretty cool, huh? Don't mess the shades up. Stop. Come on, let's go. So it is the next day and I'm finally home, but I did go to Marshall's and also Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got and also decorate the couch with it. So I got some throw pillows, a throw blanket, and then at Dollar Tree I just got a few things. We also went to Walmart and got a few things that we needed. Not really Christmas related, some coffee cups and stuff. And then, let's see, I got some little suction cups I was going to use for the front door. But I ended up, I don't think I have to use these. I got a little mini Christmas tree, some detangler for Bailey, and some like cute little flowers in a flower vase. I think that might be all I got at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start decorating, and yeah, so I'm going to put all the throw pillows on there. I took the fall ones off and tried to like clean up the living room a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and exchange all of the other ones for the red. So yeah.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels.
So this wreath doesn't match at all, but I just stuck this little snowman on there. And I also just now put this little tiny pencil tree up, and I can't find the stand for it, so I just stuck it in that bucket for now. But yeah, there's that little one. Also still need to hang this little picture up. Actually, it's a big picture, but I need to hang this up, and I want to get some like huge pictures of us and fill that wall with like a photo gallery top wall. So I still got to do that. So there's all that, and then all the couch stuff I got today. Still have a ton of Christmas stuff out over here I got to put up. Done all this, and then here's the tree. So yeah.
Still remember back in the day, first riding an open sleigh. I was a child, I was the kind who smiled. The night before Christmas Day, weary thoughts to won't go away. What a night, we stayed up